This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You're ready to begin. Turn the ignition to accessory so the radio and touchscreen are live. On your phone, enable Bluetooth and remove any previous Passat entries to avoid conflicts. On the infotainment screen, open menu, select telephone or Bluetooth, then choose Add New Phone or search for devices. Do this now so both car and phone are actively scanning. Once they see each other, you'll move directly to selection and confirmation. This avoids timeout and keeps pairing quick and reliable. Once the Passat finds your phone, tap its name on the car's screen. Your phone will prompt with a 4-digit PIN. Compare it to the number displayed on the infotainment and accept on both devices. If the PIN matches, confirm pairing. This establishes a trusted link for calls and audio. Make sure to allow contact and call history access when prompted so hands-free calling displays contacts. After confirmation, the system will finalize connection and may offer to set the phone as primary. Finish by checking the infotainment status shows your phone connected for calls and media. Play a short audio clip to confirm media audio routing. If the phone fails to connect, turn Bluetooth off and on, reboot the phone, then restart the car's infotainment by switching ignition off for 30 seconds. If problems persist, remove old paired devices on both ends or delete the phone from the car and re-add it. As a last step, ensure your phone's OS is up to date to avoid compatibility issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.